Hi students, today in this video I will explain how to calculate the valency. By the calculation of valency, here I am taking 4 columns. One is the atomic number, element, electronic configuration and valency. Now atomic number meaning number of protons and electronic configuration meaning the distribution of electrons into different shells and the subshell until atomic number is equal to the electronic configuration. Now hydrogen atomic number is the 1 and electronic configuration is the only 1. So the outer shell containing electrons simply are called it is the valency, so that the hydrogen valence is the only 1 and helium atomic number is 2. So all the noble gases valence is the 0 and lithium in the first shell they have the 2 electrons and the second shell they have the only 1 electron. So valence is the only 1 and beryllium in the first shell 2 electrons and the second shell 2 electrons. So the valence is the 2 and here I am explaining one of the trick that is nothing but a number of valency electrons 1, 2, 3, 4 valency electrons are equal to the valency. Once again I am repeating, number of valency electrons are either 1, 2, 3, 4 and valency electrons are either the 1, 2, 3, 4, that is the valence electrons equal to the valency, and number of valency electrons either 5 or the 6 or the 7 or 8, so that is the valence is equal to 8 minus valency electrons. Now here once you can see, and boron atomic number is the 5, in the first shell 2 electrons and the second shell 3 electrons, so the valence is the 3, it is the outermost shell, so that valence is the 3. And carbon atomic number is the 6, in the first shell 2 electrons and the fourth and second shell 4 electrons, so valence is equal to the 4. Then what about the nitrogen atomic number is the 7 and electronic configuration in the first shell 2 electron and second shell 5 electrons, so 8 minus 5 that equal to the 3, 8 minus 5 that equal to 3, that is the nitrogen valency. Along with that fluorine and fluorine atomic number is the 9 and outermost shell they are the 7 electrons, so 8 minus 7 that equal to the 1. Along with that oxygen and valency electrons are the 6 and the valence is equal to 8 minus 6 that equal to the 2. And noble gases, in the noble gases they are the 0 valency. Again sodium. So what is the valence of the sodium? In the first shell they are the 2 electron and the second shell they are the 8 electrons, and the third shell they are the only 1 electron, so it is the valency electron, so the valence is the only 1. And the magnesium and first shell they have the 2 electron and second shell 8 electron, and third shell that is the valency shell they have the only 2 electrons, so that the valency of the magnesium is the only 2. Whereas the aluminum in the valency is the 3. Why? Because in the outermost shell they have the only 3 electrons, that's why the valency of aluminum is the only 3. Along with that silicon atomic number is 14 and first shell they are the 2 electrons and second shell they are the 8 electrons and the third shell they are the 4 electrons, it is the valency shell, that is the outermost shell, so the valency of the silicon is the only 4. And phosphorus, once you can see here, in the phosphorus in the outermost shell they are the 5 electrons. In that time I am using the rule, that is the 8 minus valency electrons, so 8 minus valency electrons, here 8, the valency electrons are the 5, that equal to valency of the phosphorus is the 3, and along with that sulfur. So what is the valency of the sulfur? And sulfur atomic number is the 16 and 2, 8, 6, that means there are the 6 valency electrons are present, and the valency of sulfur is once again 8 minus valency electrons, that equal to the 8 minus 6 that equal to the 2, so the sulfur valence is the 2. And chlorine atomic number is the 17 and 2, 8, 7, that is the valency electrons in the chlorine is the 7, so valence is the 8 minus 7, so that equal to 1. Again argon is the noble gas, so that the valence is the 0, and the potassium, and 2 comma 8 comma 8 comma 1 in the outermost shell, they have the only one electron. So the valency of the potassium is the only one, whereas the calcium valence is the only 2. Why? Because in the outermost shell they have the only 2 electrons, so valence is the 2. So the simple trick we have explain once again. Number of valency electrons is equal to 1 2 3 4. The valency electrons are equal to the valency. So once you can look at here, so valency electrons in the hydrogen is the only one, and here in the lithium is the 1, and beryllium is the 2, so the valence electrons is the 2, so valence also 2, and the boron is the valence electrons is the 3, so valence is the 3. Along with the carbon, valence electrons are the 4 and the valence is the 4. Along with that, here in the nitrogen, the valence electrons are the 5 and valence is 8 minus 5, that is the 3. And oxygen, valence electrons are the 6 and 8 minus 6, that equal to 2, valence is the 2. And fluorine, valence electrons are the 7 and valence is 8 minus 7, that equal to 1. Okay students, so once you can see here, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 0, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1 0, 3 2 1 0 and 1 2, like that. So if you know about 1 to 20 elements and their valencies, you can easily write any of the formulae with the correct manner. Thank you students. If you like my video, give me the like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.